My video guide is about getting rid of the ransomware called Lqqw. Lqqw. It's a special ransomware that currently belongs to the DJVU ransomware family. The ransomware starts encrypting your information that you store on your computer. No matter what disk you have, whether it is C drive or D drive or USB flash drive or any other drive, once it is connected to your computer, the ransomware is encrypting the data that is stored on this drive. Currently, I'm able to open any files without any complications at all. This includes pictures, music, Microsoft Office files, and other data. But the ransomware may stealthily penetrate into your computer and start encrypting your data. Once the information is encrypted, the ransomware adds the special Lqqw extension to all the files that it has encrypted. You may right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager, and you will see a special process with a very long name running in the background. This can be the process of that ransomware called Lqqw. So the ransomware, of course, tries to force you into paying the ransom to get your files supposedly decrypted. But the point is there is no point of paying the ransom, because these criminals do not give you any guarantee that you will get your files restored. So another problem is that after the extension Lqqw is added, you cannot simply remove the extension and decrypt your files. The files that got encrypted by this Lqqw ransomware still remain encrypted. And that, of course, is a very serious problem. And now you can see the results of the encryption. All the files that we have on our computer have got this Lqqw extension added, and we cannot open them anymore. I strongly advise that you select your available browser, and I recommend you to download the application called Combo Cleaner Antivirus that you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the software using this direct download button. Install the software and start scanning your computer to remove all the traces of this Lqqw ransomware as soon as possible. And Combo Cleaner will also help you not only to remove the ransomware, but to protect your files from being encrypted in the future. After you successfully download and install the software Combo Cleaner, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan type available. The premium version also gives you full system scan and custom scan. So you may click on Start Scan button and the program will begin the analysis of your Windows computer. You may get back and experiment with some preferences or settings of Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner works very well at protecting your computer against all contemporary kinds of threats, including ransomware. So the premium version gives you excellent protection against all current ransomware type infections. By the way, you may add a special folder that will protect your data in that folder. But again, that's the part of the premium version only. So while the quick scan is in progress, the program will give you the report about all kinds of infections that may be the part of your Windows computer right now. The scanning will take at least several minutes, I would say. And then at the end of scan, you will see the complete summary of all threats that are currently available on your Windows computer. So you simply need to wait a bit until the scanning is over to see the detailed report. Then, at the end of scanning, the program will give you the summary of threats. It will also give you the location of each specific threat and what it does with your computer. You may remove all these threats, however, by upgrading to the premium version of the program or by asking for a limited period of time of full trial key.